Yo, what up YouTube? I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I'm going to be making a lot more of these videos. This is how you create your first workflow. On the Workflow Manager tab, you can see this Open Explorer folder. This shows you where your workflows are on your own system. Usually they're just under your user account, ContextUI, default, and then the workflows. Above default, you just have the other, where the other stuff is stored, Python vends, models, generated content. Some of these workflows just save their files to these folders, just so you're aware. In the workflows, you've got your user workflows as well, which should come empty, and your examples, which comes with about 30 plus examples. You can use this content. The idea is you can just CD, change directory into one of these folders, so you can get one of your agents to work on it. I particularly like to use Claude Code in the VS Code extension. So here, I just open my IDE in the workflows folder. You can just see here we have all the workflows organized into different folders. And if I launch Claude Code, it has access to all of them. Now, the workflow I'm going to build today is I just want a local AI that can search the internet and organize some results for me. I've prepared a prompt. Prompt is, create me a new workflow similar to the local chat window, which is this one here. So I'm just going to reference this chat just so we can get the architecture right. The idea would be that allows the LLM to search using the DuckDuckGo search engine. There's a particular Python package for that, so it's just easy to use. And we're just telling you here to make sure it follows the Python Venn dependency pattern. Should be able to do multiple searches in one response and give a summary of what the user asks, and then users should be able to chat about the results. You should also be able to save the search results as MD files so we can reference them later. If you haven't used Claude Code before, you should probably just go into planning mode. And so it can get its context, ask questions later. I'll probably speed this part of the video up so you don't sit around and wait for Claude Code to do its planning. All right, so the planning's done. Looks like it took about 7 or 8 minutes. And I didn't actually get any questions, which means it has everything it needs to build our new workflow for us. Let's just have a quick look. Create a new workflow that enables our local LLM to search the internet using DuckDuckGo, perform multiple searches per response, summarize results, and save them to marked out files for future reference. That sounds great. Backend implementation using a Python backend. Going to use Quinn 2.514b with 3b and 7b variants. Llama. A few other options. Organizing our front end into a bunch of different tabs. All right, let's run that and I'll come back when it's done. All right, it's finished. It took about 10 minutes. We'll see what we have. So let's actually find what it's searched. It's called, I made a folder called Web Search Chat. That should have just automatically popped up here. We'll find it. Yep, I shouldn't have a picture. To get a picture to work, guys, you just need to put an image into the folder with the same name as the workflow. Then it will pop up as the image card. Did it actually create? Yeah, it actually created a description file as well. The description file is literally just a text file called description in the folder as well. All right, let's run this and see if it actually works. We can full screen it. Alrighty. All right, doesn't look like it's handling the Python packages. very well. Let's go to here. I'm going to have to go back. All right, this is our first error, guys. Let's just put this here and see what it has to say for itself. It hasn't actually checked how the local language model has actually done this, so I'll be back again once it's worked it out. Ready? So after I gave it the error, it fixed the problem. Hopefully it works now. Let's have a look. So it detected the Venn. And yeah, we're missing these things. I'll just install them. Well, that looked good. Let's just start the server. Okay, let's figure out how to use this workflow. Back up the token levels and load the model. Okay, that seems to have loaded. What options does it have for us? We have max searches, responses 3. Slide that, yep. Got your standard temperature and max tokens. Just pump that up a bit. Got conversation history and stream response. History, let's see if this tabs break it or not. Let's just give it a go. Okay, what's the latest tech news? Searching. Let's have a look at what it found. 5 different results from a variety of different sources. Awesome. Wonder if that, don't know if that works. Oh no, we have to save the chat. There we go. Different prompts for different styles. Results. All right, cool. All right, well, that will be that for that video. I'll see you guys next time.